Hello YouTube, Thor the Engine here again. I got another fan I acquired on a trade. I got this fan yesterday from a fellow fan collector. I guess this is I don't know. But we settled on a trade for another fan that I had, and I traded him that fan for this one, and this one, I'm actually gonna use because the one I traded it for I never used, so it was pointless for me to hold on to it. But now that it's in his hands, he's using it now, and he said it's his second favorite fan in his entire collection. So this is what I got in exchange for that fan. This is my 1984 Lakewood C-122. I think it's a 122X. Let me see. Yes, it's a C-122X from 1984. It's a 2-speed, 12-inch little fan. This thing is in really nice condition. It's almost flawless. Like, this thing is in pristine condition. It is immaculate. There is nothing wrong with this fan. All the rubber boots are still intact. The original cord is there. Not a scratch on this thing at all. Got a couple of little blemishes there, but those will come off actually. And once I get those off, this thing will be like brand new. This thing is in like new condition. And it is on high. That thing's got some kick to it. For being a little 12-inch box fan, that thing's got some kick to it. Here's low. Yeah, this thing does not make a whole lot of noise. It's okay though. I'm looking for me a K14X because those seem to be make a little more noise. But this one here, I'm so blessed. I am so blessed. And if you look in there, you can see we got ourselves a Fasco motor. Yeah, this thing is pristine. Back to high. And off. Okay, I kind of opened this thing up so we could take a look inside and see this thing is so clean. This is the best example of one of these nice fans I have ever used.